What if Salesforce could talk to all your business tools automatically?
No coding. No developers. Just smart automation. Most teams still move data manually, every single day. That wasted time quietly kills productivity.
This is where soft automation changes everything. Soft automation connects tools without writing code.
Zapier works like a translator between Salesforce and your business tools. Everything begins with a trigger. One action can start multiple workflows instantly. A welcome email is sent the moment a lead arrives.
The same lead is logged automatically in Google Sheets.
And your sales team gets notified in real time.
You need no more coding, just selections and logic.
Test it once, then turn it on. Now Salesforce works for you around the clock.
Leads move faster through your pipeline. And errors disappear.
Your team finally focuses on real work.
Perfect for small and growing businesses.
And powerful enough for enterprises.
Customer messages can be automated too.
And tasks get created without reminders.
This is the modern way of working.
Salesforce becomes the brain of your business.
Powerful automation without complexity.
And this is just the beginning.
AI will make automation even smarter.
Follow for more soft automation explained simply.
Automate smart. Work less. Grow faster.